Sierra kids, welcome back. Today I'm joined by my sister, Kara.
We're making a unicorn and monster slime.
Yep, today we're making slime, and this is how you're gonna do it. You can find these at your local store. We got them from Walmart. And mine says, make a monster. Get ready for a slime adventure. We're making monsters come to life. Do you think they have scary powers or have a secret hiding place? What if they have more than 2 eyes? There's only one way to find out when we use slime to play.
Fly high on a unicorn. Climb aboard and get ready to soar. We're going to see unicorns' powers come to life. Want to search for rainbows and other magical creatures? Maybe we'll meet a fairy. Only our imaginations can show us down when we use slime to play.
All right, guys, how to start this. Open your slime. And you can take the scooper that came in it. You can take 3 scoops and pour it into a bowl. Remember, this slime is edible, meaning you can eat it. And it's gonna get messy. I'm already covered in powder. All right, next you're gonna take some water, preferably warm water, and you're gonna get a tablespoon, and you're gonna pour 1 tablespoon of warm water into your slime and mix it up. And you're gonna continue doing this until it becomes slime. All right, guys, once you are done adding multiple teaspoons of water, it should be hard to pull up, but once you do, it's like a liquid. This is what we call oobleck. You can hit it and nothing happens, but you can pick it up and it will drip down like a liquid. All right, guys, now it's time to eat some slime. All right, this one's lime flavor.
Here, use your hand.
Yeah.
This one's strawberry.
I'm gonna taste the slime. Tastes like lime.
Tastes like unicorn.
All right, guys, go get some Jell-O, play, and make some yourself.